How to automate text messages during random times on iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Once you're here, you will see an interface like this. Now, from the bottom panel, tap on Automation. After that, you will see a blue bar named New Automation. Tap on it. Then the Personal Automation screen will show up. From the options here, tap on Time of Day from the top. Now, make sure Time of Day is selected here, and scroll through the numbers to select hour, minute and AM and PM to set your desired time. After that, select Daily under Repeat if you want. Once done setting up, tap on Next on the top right corner. Here, you will find a Send Message option. Tap on the Send Message option from the taskbar. Over here, you will find a text bar named Send Message to Recipients. Now, just input your desired text right beside Send, on the blue message text. For example, busy. After that, tap on Recipients option. Scroll through your contacts and select one or more recipients. Once done, tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. Tap on the tick mark from the top right again. Your text automation is now ready. Following these steps, you can easily automate text messages during random times on iPhone.